Hello, we just recently brought home this little cutie pie, Austin, from the Charlotte Dog Club. And I wanted to share our experiences with the Charlotte Dog Club with you. We started looking for a puppy this summer when our youngest child started begging for a puppy during COVID. We did lots and lots of research and found that it was almost impossible to find a puppy during COVID. We also came across a lot of sort of scary leads that ended up being puppy mills and scams. But in doing my research, I found some really wonderful reviews about the Charlotte Dog Club. So we decided to call them. And when we did, I was just blown away by the people that work there, how kind they were, how patient. They answered so many questions. There was no pressure at all. We must have called them 4 or 5 times before we decided to proceed. And we did pick up our puppy 2 weeks ago, and we have called them probably 15 times since, asking about puppy care and basic questions, and they've been so awesome, even checking in with us late after hours to make sure everything was okay. And so I just wanted to wholeheartedly say that we strongly recommend the Charlotte Dog Club, and without them, we wouldn't have our newest family member.